for Kediri. I'm here to tell you a story entitled Calon Arab. So, enjoy the story. Once upon a time, in a village called Jira, lived a widow and her daughter. They were Mirandani and by the villagers as Calon Arab, and Ragamagani, the daughter. Ah! Who killed my husband? Who? I will take revenge for my husband's death. Oh, Goddess Durga, help me! Since the death of her husband, who died due to black magic, Niranga had sought supernatural powers by worshipping the goddess Durga, the goddess of heretics, to take revenge. Where is it? Daughter, come here quickly. Where are the offerings that I made yesterday afternoon? Didn't you put the offerings in the hall? If you want to bring incense, I'll get it for you, mother. You are indeed a good job. Fortunately, knowing that I haven't come to propose you yet. One day, a young man named Ima Devidyasta met Ratnamanga. Oh, beautiful girl. Where is Niranga's house? I want to come to the teacher's station. Oh, Niranga's house? Let me take you there. Mother, there is a messenger from Goddess Durga who wants to convey something. When Niranga saw Vidyasta, a young one of the sunset as her hope was in her heart. This is my future son-in-law. Finally, my dream will soon come true. Goddess Durga conferred this amulet in Yala. Oh! Alright, I allow you to stay in my house, my child. Since then, Vidyasta and Ratnamangali became increasingly close. I'd really like you to be able to get a girl as beautiful as Ratnamangali. News spread that Ratnamangali was going to marry Vidyasta. Many young men didn't like that because they knew Vidyasta's bad character. How impudent! A beautiful girl like Ratnamangali was approached by a dirty young man like that. That person must be not a lesson. Let's go, friends. Let's wait for Vidyasta at the market. They immediately gave up on Vidyasta until he collapsed. Even though he had high spell, Vidyasta was helpless when he had to fight against many people. Finally, he fell dead. Niranga was furious when she found out that Vidyasta had died and been shot out of Jira. My future son-in-law is dead. Wait for my revenge. Don't revenge. Niranga entered the holy room and prostrated herself under the statue of Goddess Durga. Slowly, Niranga's human body turned into Taman Aram. To every Taman Aram flew towards residential areas and spread a deadly plague. Blaze smoke enveloped all corners of the village. The king, Raja Alanga, asked Kubereda for help. Kubereda found a way to stop Niranga. His future his former student who went astray. Well, go to Giraffe Village. Stop near the spring page. Marry her daughter. It will soften her heart and lift the cursed past. All right, teacher. I'll do it. After a long journey, Bahula finally arrived at Miranda's house. What do you want, young man? I am Bahula, a student of Buddha. With all my respect, I come to propose your daughter. Finally, my daughter's mother has come. Madali, come here to meet your future husband. After a few days, Rahula and Ratnamangali wedding party was held. Nirana was happy and forgot her grudge against the people of Daha. Bhubarada finally came to Chira to visit his student. The arrival of Bhubarada among the family brought wisdom to Ratnamangali. Because Nirana followed the advice given by Bhubarada, she already went to her holy home to cast her evil spells. She still worshipped the statue of Goddess Durga, but didn't light a fire. One day, when Niranga was fast asleep, she dreamed that she was visited by the figure of Taman Alam. Taman Alam was angry with Niranga because she had forgotten her teachings. The next day, Niranga was sick. She thought her death was getting closer. I want to be cleansed. Bless me. All this time, I've lived enslaved by my own revenge. I am sorry. Be happy, my daughter. I'm very happy. Mother wants to return to the right path. In a field, Purada and Niranga performed a purification ritual. A few moments later, Niranga's body shook, no longer was shaking the 100 heads. The body, which was already weak, quickly jumped up and turned into Tawang Aram. The angry Tawang Aram. The angry Tawang Aram. Tawang Aram was angry at the body she inhabited was purified. There was a tremendous battle between Purada and Tawang Aram. With his magical spells, Mubarada finally defeated Tawang Aram and Niranga get peaceful. The curse of Tawang Aram was gone. The rain fell and wet the land of Daha. The disease outbreak disappeared and the land returned to being fertile as before. The moral of the story is revenge will never create peace, and anger will burn yourself. Okay, that's all my story. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.